Another loss today, boys. Another day, another loss, man. No news. Another day, another loss. So unfortunate. It was very similar as yesterday's loss. Stopped out and then price runs to take profit. But overall, market wise, looking, we're at all time highs, looking really good. The stock market is looking beautiful. Nvidia creeping up on the all time highs. All these investments that I'm looking at. But yeah, let's just get into the trade, get into the day. Obviously, I'm bullish coming into the day. Yeah, shouldn't be trying to short all time highs. But let's go into the entry. Just trying to get this over with, man. It's Friday night. I envy these rate recaps now, especially if it's a losing day, losing trade. But I saw when market open, I wanted to see some pullback. You know, I didn't want to just see us keep ripping on the higher time frames. Um, there was nothing really for us to retrace on the higher time frames other than this fair value gap, which was pretty far. Probably a couple hundred points, 100 and some change points that we would need to retrace, which is pretty doable, but that's not what we did. Just go down the 15 minute. We're expecting this 15 minute. Okay, cool. This 15-minute candle closes. Bullish, reacting off this gap. I'm staying on the 5 minute. No 1 minute entries for the time being. Just gotta stay off the 1 minute. I get caught up in the noise. But yeah, this is what I saw. We see some sort of reaction out of that retracement of that gap. And yeah, but the thing to learn from today is that should have traded on ES, and I literally marked it out when this would have been the ideal entry right here. Oh, I already marked it out right here. This would have been the ideal entry, but the thing to take away from this day is to trade the more bullish or bearish pair or asset that you're trying to take the trade in. Um, Main reason why I took this on NQ was pretty much because I wanted a better risk to reward. So 1.5, if I took this, it would have just been 1-to-1, or actually 1.27, depending where stop loss would have been. But yeah, that's really it. But definitely should have took this on ES. Entry was just based on I wanted to see 5 minute volume. So after we inverse this 5 minute gap finally, I was like, all right, I'm just gonna enter. Stop loss. I didn't really have I didn't really have a this yeah. What I'm trying to say is the stop loss didn't really have a purpose. Like I didn't really have a reason to put the stop. I just put it just cause this body, the open body candle, opening price of this candle. That's really it. But that's pretty much the trade, and just got stopped out. This was the retrace that I got stopped out on NQ right here, 920, and this was the retrace. So something to note. Should have traded the more bullish pair today, which was ES, and yeah. I just get so caught up in being so close to my target, and then the RR. There's so many times where the ideal entry has just would not be the best RR. But I just need to take those base hits. I can't get caught up in that. It's kind of think about the money, because you're think about the RR and how much money you're risking versus the potential you can make with your RR. Obviously, the higher RR, more money you're gonna make, and I guess that has to play in a factor of my thinking. So, but just, I guess, a learning experience. I don't know, man. Another day, another loss. Sucks, man. But I mean, the only thing you can do is either quit or keep pushing. Just keep going. That's the only two things you can do. So what I'm gonna do is keep going. I'm not a quitter. That's it for me. Quick little recap. Have a good night. God bless.